nun. As there's Panchari Sangmuang, including Efren Gaas facing her point. Tayo bronze medalist nung time na yun. That national team included the Carolino sisters, Tina Salak, Maureen Penetrante.
Philippine Army.
Oh, halos gano'n. Well, Maureen Penetrante was there. Cherry Rose Macatangay was also there on that team. Kasama si Joanna Putorcarpi, Ruby De Leon. That was the last time na nagkaroon tayo ng isang international exposure as Tabaquero scores until June of this year, Michelle. Nung nagpadala ang V-League selection ng isang national team on the prodding of the PSC and the POC para lumaban sa AVC, the Asian Volleyball Confederation Southeast Asian Zonal Qualifiers in Vietnam. So that team was coached by Roger Gorayev. Nandun ito, si Pao Soriano at si Jack Canela kasama sa team na yun. Santiago sisters were there. Eliza Valdez was also on that lineup. Ruby De Leon was the senior member of that lineup also. Myla Pablo, marami sila.
How did they perform?
They finished third dun sa tournament na yun. Natalo natin dun ang Myanmar. And we lost against Indonesia kasi meron isang player ng Indonesia na hindi ko alam kung lalaki o babae. Talaga, seriously, tanong mo kay Jen Reyes. May pictures sila dalawa ni Jen Reyes doon. So now, this is the second time na magpapadala tayo. Pero ito na yung pinakamalaki, Asian Championships na. Ito pinag-uusapan natin.
We will wish the national team luck in their journey tomorrow.
And because it's the official ball of the Shakey's V-League, at tama sinabi ni Rina, kabracket natin dyan, of course, una natin makakalaban is India. Tapos noon, Iran, last game natin is China. Alam natin, China, powerhouse talaga.
Of course.
Pero ang kwento naman sa akin ni Coach Norman Miguel, nung nagpadala ng isang club championship naman ng 2011, Shakey's V-League selection din yon, nakalaban din natin ng Iran. Nanalo tayo ng 1 set sa Iran. So, it is not as strong as people think. Hindi mga hadadi, mga player nila.
Mga hadadi niya sobrang takas ba?
Hindi naman siguro. Concepcion will come in replacing Remigio as it is a 12-9 score ngayon para sa Cagayan Valley. Yung India, wala tayong balita masyado sa India. Pero alam natin, China, malakas talaga yun. So we wish the members of the national team well as Panchari Sangmuang from Thailand scores 12-10 po ang ating score. Tignan natin ang ating huling slow motion replay. Makita mo, betang-beta ni Datuin yun. Pero triple block yung humabol, wala rin nangyari. Brought to us by Rexona Anti-Perspirant Deodorant. It won't let you down.
And Panchari Sangmuang won't let you down.
That's true. Saet. Oh, hindi na itawid yun ni Aiza Maizo. The face of Maizo says it all. Pero again, credit the hang time para dito sa batang ito na talagang over the years, hindi na nagbago laro niya. It's been consistent.
Yes. And andun pa rin yung power, andun pa din yung endurance pagdating sa laro kahit hindi na masyado nag-training.
Datuin, pushing it across. Benito is there. Saet ngayon. Sending it to Aiza Maizo. Kagat na kagat si Marciano at si Datuin doon na palihis na tira nito si pacheck na tira ni Aiza Maizo. Teka, oy, lifting ay tatawag kontra kay Aiza Maizo.
There goes ang Tabaquero. Going near the referee.
Kaya nga siya yung captain eh.
Yes.
Tingnan natin, lifting nga ba? It's very close. What do you think?
For me, I think it was. Well, because mas maganda yung view ng referee. Pero kasi nakita mo ang tagal ng kamay niya sa bola eh.
Right.
If talagang gusto lang niya itip in 1 second, okay na yun eh.
Master niyan, si Penetrante o ano.
Yes. Nakuha na rin niya kasi sa baba yung bola.
Wow! Molina, or Marciano launches it again. So Marciano, again, kwento ko dati, ito yung pinaka-nerd nila sa volleyball. Training sila lahat, water break sila lahat. Si Marciano, kuha ng bola, mag-walling.
Kita mo rin yung build ni Marciano, although she's not that tall. Nakita mo, maskulado yung kamay, yung legs, very fit. Talagang essence of a volleyball player. You gotta admire players like Benito na kahit nakakaramdam na ng sakit, tuloy pa rin ang paglalaro and she's suiting up for the national team.
Alam mo yung mga down the line na shots itong PNP, ang hirap bantayan. Hirap na hirap ang Cagayan Valley bantayan, ha?
Maybe that's what we have to adjust. Baka marinig tayo ni Coach Ness. Malapit lang siya sa atin.
Pero again, yung mga down the line yun na pumapatay sa kanila right now. We are tied at 15. Marciano, Saet, combination, Benito. And here is Sangmuang trying to drop it in. Saet is there. Soriano, Benito, lusot sa kilikili ni Molina.
Too hard on that hit.
16-15, 1-point lead for Cagayan Valley.